shake your feet.
Okay! Very good lahat ng kids. Sit down muna tayo. Sit down. Ayan, sino nakakaalam ng tug of war? Ayan, our sports for today is tug of war. So all you need to do is maghihilahan lang kayo. Maghihilahan tayo, meron tayong rope and may ribbon sa gitna. All you need to do is